this is Cody again, and I'm showing you this gun, this gun, this gun, this gun, and this gun. And you can tell this is a little version of this. This is the big version. I just got this yesterday. This is the big version of this. This is the little version of this. And I will be showing you how they work and stuff about them. First, the slingshot. You can check out one of my videos that I will be posting, and it will be showing this one. Okay, so I'll show you this one here. Here is if you don't want to waste your batteries, you can take and pull this back and then put it back. And this right here, that little hole, that's a scope. You can use that scope too. And if you were wondering how it works, you hold this button in, and it might make sound, but watch. Point it over there. It's a rapid fire gun. So that takes care of that one. And this one right here is like the same, but you gotta flip this nozzle to do it. Like this. And here's one of these, and your extra darts, and that was taken care of. Okay, time for this one. You got this here, which can hold 2. They're all 6 packs, and you cock it like this. Now it's cocked. And that was taken care of. Now for the Nerf Mega. Nerf Mega has bigger darts, bigger stock, and it's basically bigger. And watch how far you have to cock it. And just this is the regular size bullet for a Nerf gun, and this is the Nerf Mega bullet. There's a big difference. You can stick one of these inside of a Nerf Mega bullet. And I'm going to show you how this works. Slide it in here. After you put the dart in there, put it back in. Cock it. Let's see how fast it goes. It's actually not that good because it's more weight and you can barely shoot. And goodbye.